Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the subject Introduction to Information Technology. This lecture is meant for Semester 1 BCom Computer Application course of Kerala University. This subject consists of 5 modules. Module 1 deals with fundamentals of computer technology, generation of computers and types of computers. Module 2 deals with different units of computers, that is ALU, control unit, computer arithmetics and conversion of numbers from one system to another. Module 3 deals with different types of hardware, that is CPU, display unit, printers, RAM and data transmission devices. Module 4 deals with software, operating system and mobile operating systems. Module 5 deals with IT and society, mobile technology overview and social medias. In this lecture, we are going to discuss computer. Computer is an electronic device which can process information based upon the instructions provided and generates desired output. It is an electronic machine which converts raw data into meaningful information with great speed, accuracy and efficiency. It has the ability to store, process and retrieve data. It is basically a programmable computing machine. Computers are used as control systems for a wide variety of industrial and consumer devices. This includes simple special purpose devices like microwave ovens and remote controls, factory devices such as industrial robots and computer aided design, and also general purpose devices like personal computers and mobile devices such as smartphones. The internet works with the help of computers and it connects hundreds of millions of other computers and their users. Next, we can discuss types of computer. Computers differ based on their data processing abilities. They are classified according to purpose, data handling and functionality. According to purpose, computers are either general purpose or specific purpose. First one, general purpose computers. They are designed to perform a range of tasks. They have the ability to store numerous programs but lack in speed and efficiency. Second one, specific purpose computers. They are designed to handle a specific problem or to perform a specific task. A set of instructions is built into the machine. According to functionality, computers are classified as analog computer, digital computer and hybrid computer. First one, analog computer. An analog computer is a form of computer that uses continuous physical phenomena such as electrical, mechanical or hydraulic quantities to model the problem being solved. Analog computers work on the principle of measuring, in which the measurements obtained are translated into data. Modern analog computers usually employ electrical parameters such as voltages, resistance or currents to represent the quantities being manipulated. Such computers do not deal directly with the numbers, they measure continuous physical magnitudes. തുടർച്ചയായ ഭൗതിക പ്രവൃത്തികളായ വൈദ്യുതിയോ യാന്ത്രികമായോ ഉള്ള അളവുകളാണ് അനലോഗ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ അളവുകൾ ഡേറ്റയായി മാറ്റപ്പെടുകയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അനലോഗ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ വോൾട്ടേജോ കറണ്ടിൻ്റെ റെസിസ്റ്റൻസോ ആണ് അളവുകളായി രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുന്നത്. Second one, digital computer. A computer that performs calculations and logical operations with quantities represented as digits, usually in the binary number system. Digital computers are those that operate with information, numerical or otherwise represented in a digital form. Such computers process data into digital value, that is in zeros and ones form. They give the results with more accuracy and at a faster rate. ബൈനറി നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ടാണ് ഡിജിറ്റൽ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ ഡേറ്റകൾ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുന്നത്. തേർഡ് വൺ, ഹൈബ്രിഡ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ. A combination of computers those are capable of inputting and outputting in both digital and analog signals. A hybrid computer system setup offers a cost-effective method of performing complex simulations. Hybrid computers incorporate the measuring features of an analog computer and counting feature of a digital computer. For computation purposes, these computers use analog components and for storage, digital memories are used. ഡിജിറ്റലിൻ്റെയും അനലോഗിൻ്റെയും സമ്മിശ്രമായ ഡേറ്റയെ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുന്ന രീതിയാണ് ഹൈബ്രിഡ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ അവലംബിക്കുന്നത്. ഇൻ ദിസ് ലെക്ചർ വി ഹാവ് ഡിസ്കസ്ഡ് computer and types of computer. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.